If Brigit's identity protection feature stops working, the issue is usually caused by an incomplete account verification, a syncing problem, or a temporary app error, instead of a problem with your identity information. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps that usually restore the feature, and when it's time to contact Brigit support. Start by closing the Brigit app completely and reopening it. This forces the app to reload your account, and can resolve temporary glitches that prevent identity protection from loading. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, then open the identity protection section again. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt secure account verification. Now check that you're signed into the correct Brigit account. If you have more than one email address, verify that you're using the account where your identity protection feature is active. If the feature loads but doesn't update, refresh the page if that option is available. If there isn't a refresh button, sign out of Brigit and sign back in. A new login session often fixes syncing problems between your account and Brigit's servers. The next step is checking for app updates. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install the latest version of Brigit. Updates frequently include fixes for account features that stop working after older versions become incompatible. If your app is already current, restart your phone. This clears temporary system issues that may interfere with secure services inside financial apps. You should also verify that your phone's operating system is up to date. Security-related features often rely on the latest operating system updates to function correctly. If the identity protection section still isn't working, uninstall Brigit and reinstall it from the official App Store. Reinstalling replaces damaged or incomplete app files that may have been left behind after an interrupted update. If Brigit requests additional identity verification, complete every required step before expecting the feature to become available. Some protections remain unavailable until verification is finished successfully. If none of these steps solve the problem, the issue could be related to Brigit's servers or your account's status. Contact Brigit support and provide your phone model, operating system version, app version, and screenshots of any error messages. That information helps the support team diagnose the issue more quickly. To recap, restart the app, verify your account, check your connection, update Brigit, restart your device, reinstall the app if needed, and contact support if identity protection still won't work. If this video helped you fix the problem, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Brigit troubleshooting guides for more quick solutions.